Welcome to the City of Durham's official instructional guide on setting up barricades for permitted events. Proper barricade placement is essential to ensure public safety, manage traffic, and meet city regulations. Type 1 and Type 3 barricades are approved for use in the City of Durham for road closures. All traffic control devices for road closings and detours must be furnished by the organizer. When setting up barricades, it's important to space them correctly. Barricades must be placed no more than 4 feet apart. That's 4 feet from edge to edge, not center to center. Improper spacing can allow pedestrians or vehicles to pass through unsafely or block the egress of event attendees in case of an emergency. Always check your placement before finalizing setup. In some cases, police vehicles and pre-approved heavy trucks can be used as part of your barricade strategy for increased safety. Before the event begins, double-check each barricade for proper alignment and spacing. Barricades must be staffed the entire length of the closure. Staff or volunteers must be present to ensure barricades are not tampered with in case an emergency arises. Event items in the street must be placed to ensure that a barricade can be moved to a width of 13 feet. And that a 13-feet emergency lane is clear, so emergency vehicles can pass freely down the entire length of the closure. Any person assigned to oversee a road closure barricade must wear a reflective vest. Road closure notification is also a key part of the special event permit and road closure process and procedure. All residents and businesses within the road closure, as well as those in the surrounding area who will be affected, must be notified. For a complete list of notification requirements, view the Special Event Guidelines at DPR Playmore. Road closures on DOT roads have additional requirements. All DOT road closures must be staffed by qualified law enforcement. DOT also requires the organizer to provide a certificate of insurance or specified waives. Full requirements will be outlined by DOT when the application is reviewed. Some approved street closures include public parking spaces. Event organizers are responsible for posting signs and alerting the public of the closures. Signs using the approved template must be posted no less than 1 day prior to the event and no more than 3 days prior to the event. These signs should be affixed to parking meter pay stations and street sign poles using zip ties only. Tape is prohibited. All signs must be removed at the conclusion of the event. It is recommended to use laminated signs to withstand any weather. For questions about barricade regulations or event permitting, contact the City of Durham's Special Events Office. Thank you for doing your part to help keep Durham's events safe and well organized.